Welcome to EnglishStoryHub.
Practice English speaking for daily life.
Today's topic is renting a house.
Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence.
Subscribe for daily English practice.
Let's begin.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hello. I want to rent a house.
Do you want a house or an apartment?
I want an apartment.
Where do you want to live?
I want to live near the city center.
How many bedrooms do you need?
I need one bedroom.
What is your monthly budget?
My budget is $500 per month.
Do you want a furnished apartment?
Yes. I want a furnished apartment.
Will you live alone?
Yes. I will live alone.
How long do you want to rent?
I want to rent for 1 year.
Okay, please wait here. I will help you.
Thank you.
You are welcome. This is the apartment. Please come inside.
Thank you. It looks nice.
This is the living room.
It is clean and bright.
This is the bedroom.
It is a good size.
This is the kitchen.
Is the kitchen fully furnished?
Yes, it has a fridge and a stove.
Is there a washing machine?
Yes, it is in the bathroom.
How much is the rent per month?
The rent is $500 per month.
Does the rent include water and electricity?
Water is included. Electricity is not included.
Is there a balcony?
Yes, there is a small balcony.
I like this apartment.
If you like the apartment, we can sign the contract today.
Yes, I want to rent it.
The contract is for 1 year.
Okay, that is fine.
The deposit is 1 month rent.
How much is the deposit?
The deposit is $500.
When do I need to pay the deposit?
You can pay it today.
Okay, I will pay today.
When do you want to move in?
I want to move in next week.
That is okay.
Do I need to pay the first month rent now?
Yes, please pay the first month rent today.
Okay, I understand.
Please read the contract and sign here.
Okay, I will sign it now.
Welcome. This is your new home.
Thank you very much.
Do you have any questions about the contract?
Yes. When do I pay the rent every month?
You pay the rent on the first day of each month.
Okay, how do I pay the rent?
You can pay by bank transfer or cash.
Is there a late payment fee?
Yes, there is a small fee after 5 days.
I understand.
Do you have pets?
No, I do not have any pets.
That is good. Pets are not allowed here.
Okay, no problem.
Smoking is not allowed inside the apartment.
That is fine. I do not smoke.
Good. Please keep the apartment clean.
Yes, I will take good care of it.
If something is broken, please call us.
Okay, I will call you.
We will fix it as soon as possible.
Thank you.
Here are the keys.
Thank you. How many keys are there?
There are 2 keys.
Great.
Do you need help with electricity and water setup?
Yes, that would be helpful.
We will help you today.
Thank you very much.
Welcome again.
Thank you. I am very happy with this apartment.
Hello, are you new here?
Yes, I moved in today.
Welcome, I live next door.
Nice to meet you.
If you need any help, please tell me.
Thank you. That is very kind.
Hello, this is the security desk.
Hello. I just moved in today.
Welcome. Please show me your apartment number.
It is room 203.
Okay, please keep this card with you.
Thank you.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hello. I am new here.
Welcome. Do you need any information?
Yes. Where can I get my mail?
You can get your mail at the front desk.
Okay. Thank you.
Do you need help with parking or trash rules?
Yes. Please explain.
Parking is in the basement. Trash day is Monday and Thursday.
I understand. Thank you very much.
Welcome to the building.
Thank you. I am happy to live here.
Hello, this is the building office. How can I help you?
Hello. I have a problem in my apartment.
What is the problem?
The light in the bathroom does not work.
I see. Is there any other problem?
Yes. The water in the kitchen is very weak.
Okay. What is your apartment number?
It is room 203.
Thank you. When are you at home?
I am at home this afternoon.
Good. We will send someone to check it.
When will they come?
They will come today before 6 o'clock.
That is good. Thank you.
Please stay at home and wait.
Okay. I will wait.
We will fix the problem today.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Hello. Your contract will end next month.
Okay. Thank you for telling me.
Do you want to renew the contract?
Yes. I want to renew it.
Do you want to rent for another year?
Yes. 1 more year is fine.
The rent will stay the same.
That is good.
The new contract will start next month.
Okay. When do I need to sign it?
You can sign it this week.
Okay. I will come this week.
Please bring your identification.
Yes. I will bring it.
Do you have any questions?
No. Everything is clear.
Thank you for staying with us.
Thank you. I am happy to stay here.
Now, let us review some useful words.
Okay.
Rent,
Rent.
apartment,
Apartment.
contract,
Contract.
deposit,
Deposit.
furnished,
Furnished.
renew,
Renew.
move in,
Move in.
monthly rent,
Monthly rent.
security desk,
Security desk.
fix the problem.
Fix the problem.
Very good.
Thank you.
Now let us practice one sentence.
Okay.
I want to rent an apartment.
I want to rent an apartment.
I want to renew my contract.
I want to renew my contract.
Great job today.
Thank you. I feel more confident now.
Keep practicing every day.
Yes. I will practice every day.
See you in the next lesson.
See you. Thank you for watching.